The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for a dam break in south-central Tuolumne County on Moccasin Creek in Northern California until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. At 2:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, dam operators reported the imminent failure of the Moccasin Dam on Moccasin Creek. Floodwaters will move down Moccasin Creek to Don Petro Reservoir. Highway 49 will continue to be impacted. Facilities downstream of the dam along the creek have all been evacuated. Precautionary evacuations are being conducted at the Moccasin Point campground. The town of Moccasin is above the dam and will not be impacted. Precautionary preparedness actions. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.